What's up, guys? We had a good day today. We took 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win. Sorry, I'm trying to find this. 1 loss, 1 win on the 2 Lucid accounts. Pretty decently sized win, so that's super nice. Gives us a nice buffer to as we work through the eval here. So that's super awesome, super awesome. All right, so let's get into the trades. So this was the first trade. This was our first trade. Or sorry, let's just get into the bias. I was bearish. Disrespected this gap overnight. After sweeping up here. And I mean, we're just kind of in a bearish market, hoping for some sells. I wanted price to respect this gap to take shorts off of it, and that's pretty much what happened. Holy shit. We open higher, which is actually pretty nice, and sweep these highs inside this hourly gap, first presented hourly gap. And we started making some fair value gaps, disrespected the fair value gaps. And I just realized I'm charting on Top Step for some reason. I'm charting on Top Step because I have the 30-second on Top Step, and on TradingView I don't have the 30-second. We took 30 seconds today. So this was the first trade. This was the inverse. It wasn't the cleanest inverse, but I thought our draw, especially with this, I thought our draw was valid enough to take the short. We got stopped out. Our stop was lower. Actually, now that I look at it, I could have won, but it was lower. So we actually, whatever. It was here. It was at the 1 minute candle. And yeah, we get stopped pretty quickly. And I was actually like, low-key, my mental was not there after that loss. So we enter this trade. I entered a little too much risk. So my risk management today wasn't the best, because if I lost both of these trades, I would have been in the hole. And that would have sucked. But yeah, damn, we got 100 points today. Nice 4-1 RR. But yeah, I mean, super clean. Low resistance liquidity. And when you get the bias right, it's really easy. When you get the bias right, it's really easy. There was even some hourly gaps down here that I could have held to. And a little smaller one here. But I ended up getting out when I did, like right here. I was all out. And this is what our Lucid account looks like. We've had 2 wins, but we've had 3 losses. This loss was out of session. Shouldn't have taken it. This loss was more valid. And our other loss today was more valid, but I didn't trade as well as I wanted to. This looks super nice. The win feels good. And we have some weird news tomorrow. We have like Trump speaks at like 9 p.m. But I mean, I'm happy how today went. I definitely have to journal and fix some mistakes that I made. But we did take the dub. So that's about it. See ya.